Good morning, students. I am Swati Mishra, your English teacher, and today I am going to teach you lesson 6 of Honeycomb, the Expert Detectives. This lesson is an extract from book Broken Flute, and this book is written by Sarda Dwivedi. There are half dozen characters in this story and 3 of them are children. First one is narrator, his brother and his sister, and the whole story of this lesson revolves around Mr. Nath. So without wasting time, let's start the lesson. Nisad, a boy of 7, also called Seven because his name means the 7th note on the musical scale, and his 10 years old sister Maya are very curious about one Mr. Nath. Then one day the children's marble rolls into Mr. Nath's room and Nisad gets a chance to see him. Is he a crook? On the run? Why is his face badly scarred? Why has he no friends? Nisad's mother, a doctor, knows Mr. Nath as a patient who is very polite. The lesson is a story of 2 young detectives who were very curious about Mr. Nath, who was very polite, recluse with health problem. 3 बच्चे हैं. फर्स्ट वन इज नरेटर, पहला तो नरेटर. सेकेंड वन इज हिज ब्रदर निसाद, दूसरा उसका भाई निसाद, एंड थर्ड वन इज माया, देयर सिस्टर्स. और तीसरी कौन है? माया, उनकी बहन. नरेटर calls his brother Seven because Nisad is the 7th swar of scale in music. संगीत में जो 7वां स्वर है उसका नाम क्या है? निसाद. दैट्स वाई नरेटर calls his brother as Seven. इसीलिए उसका भाई उसको क्या कह के बुलाता है? Seven कह के बुलाता है. माया एंड निसाद वर वेरी क्यूरियस टू नो अबाउट मिस्टर नाथ. दोनों बहुत परेशान रहते हैं किसके बारे में? मिस्टर नाथ के बारे में जानने के लिए. बिकॉज मिस्टर नाथ नेवर कम्स आउट ऑफ हिज रूम एंड नेवर टॉक्स टू एनीवन. मिस्टर नाथ कभी अपने रूम से बाहर नहीं आते और कभी किसी से बात नहीं करते. वन डे व्हाट हैपेंड, दिन क्या होता है? सम पीसेस ऑफ मार्बल्स वेंट इनटू द रूम ऑफ मिस्टर नाथ. कुछ मार्बल के टुकड़े थे जो कहाँ चले गए? मिस्टर नाथ के रूम में. एंड इन दिस वे निसाद गॉट अ चांस टू लुक इनटू द रूम ऑफ मिस्टर नाथ. और इस तरीके से निसाद को एक मौका मिल गया कहाँ जाने का? मिस्टर नाथ के रूम में. एंड ही वॉज वेरी कंफ्यूज टू सी द फेस ऑफ मिस्टर नाथ विच वॉज फुल्ली स्कार्ड. उसने देखा कि मिस्टर नाथ का चेहरा दाग धब्बे से भरा हुआ है. एंड एट फर्स्ट साइट ही थॉट हिम अ क्रूक और क्रिमिनल. पहली बार उसे लगा कि कहीं क्रिमिनल तो नहीं, कोई चोर बदमाश तो नहीं. बट निसाद मदर वॉज अ डॉक्टर हु वॉज ट्रीटिंग मिस्टर नाथ. निसाद की माँ क्या थी? एक डॉक्टर थी. एंड वो ट्रीट कर रही थी मिस्टर नाथ को. एंड शी टोल्ड हिम दैट ही वॉज अ वेरी पोलाइट पर्सन. उन्होंने बताया कि मिस्टर नाथ एक बहुत ही पोलाइट पर्सन है. As we walked back towards the clinic, Seven said, "He doesn't look like monster, Maya. But did you see how thin he is? Maybe he is very poor and can't afford to eat." One day, when Nisad got a chance to look into the room of Mr. Nath, he found that Mr. Nath looked very mysterious, looked very suspicious. उसे लगता है कि मिस्टर नाथ बहुत ही रहस्यमयी है. एंड ही टोल्ड हर सिस्टर दैट ही लुक्ड वेरी मिस्टीरियस, वेरी स्ट्रेंज. वो अपनी बहन को बताता है कि बड़े अजीब लगते हैं वो. एंड he also informed her sister about her physical appearance. बिकॉज ही वॉज वेरी थिन। उनकी शारीरिक बनावट के बारे में भी अपनी बहन को बताता है और कहता है कि बहुत दुबले पतले हैं। एंड ही थॉट मिस्टर नाथ माइट बी अ वेरी पुअर पर्सन एंड ही डिडंट हैव सफिशिएंट फूड टू ईट, दैट्स वाई ही लुक्ड वेरी वीक। He can't be poor if he is a cook on the run, I told him. He is probably got millions of rupees stashed away somewhere in that room. But in the meanwhile, narrator interrupted and said that Mr. Nath might be a crook or criminal and he had kept millions of rupees somewhere in his room. वो कहता है कि वो एक चोर या बदमाश हैं एंड उनके पास बहुत सारा पैसा है, तो वो गरीब ही कुडंट बी अ पुअर पर्सन, वो कभी गरीब हो ही नहीं सकते। डू यू रियली थिंक ही इज अ क्रिमिनल माया? ही डजंट लुक लाइक वन। निषाद लुक्ड डाउटफुल। व्हेन नरेटर टोल्ड दीज थिंग्स अबाउट मिस्टर नाथ, निषाद डिडंट लाइक इट एंड he asked his sister whether she also thought the same things about Mr. Nath. Of course, he is 1/7, I said, and he certainly is not starving. The narrator said that he must be. Definitely, he was a rich person and he was not lacking of food items. कहता है डेफिनेटली एक बहुत ही रिच पर्सन है, बहुत ही वेल्दी पर्सन है, उनके पास खाने पीने की कोई कमी नहीं है। मिस्टर मेहता टोल्ड अस दैट रमेश ब्रिंग्स हिज मील अप फ्रॉम द रेस्टोरेंट्स डाउन स्टेयर्स। नरेटर अगेन सेड दैट अ नेबर known as Mr. Mehta told him that a boy named Ramesh always brought his lunch and Mr. Nath paid his bills and also gave him some tips to the bearer. बताता है कि रमेश नाम का लड़का रोज उनका लंच लाता है, मिस्टर नाथ बिल पे करते हैं और कुछ टिप्स भी देते हैं। But Maya, Mr. Nath told us he doesn't work anywhere, so how can he possibly have money to pay for food? Nisad said. Nisad was quite surprised and he told his sister that Mr. Nath didn't go anywhere to work. कभी किसी वर्क पे नहीं जाते। He didn't have any job. उनके पास कोई जॉब नहीं। Then how could he be able to pay the bills of food? तो कैसे वो बिल चुका लेते हैं अपने खाने पीने का? Exactly, I exclaimed. He must have lots of money hidden somewhere, maybe in that trunk in his room. It is probably full of silver and gold and jewels and in the meanwhile, narrator again interrupted that he must have lots of money and he hid them in some box. वो कहता है उनके पास बहुत पैसा है, उन्होंने उसे किसी बॉक्स में छुपा रखा है। And he also had lots of jewels of gold and silver. उनके पास सोने चांदी के बहुत सारे ज्वेल्स भी हैं, ज्वेलरीज भी हैं। What rubbish? निषाद interrupted. निषाद said with anger that don't said these nonsense things. कहता है इस तरह के बेवकूफ़ी की बातें मत करो। I know I am right, stupid, I told him. By the way, 7, did you see his scars? I couldn't. It was too dark, but I bet he got them during a shootout with the police or something. Narrator was firm on his thinking and he said that he was definitely right. He was sure that Mr. Nath might have lots of money and he might be a criminal. And he asked Nisad if he saw the scars on his face. कहता क्या तुमने उसके चेहरे पर दाग धब्बों के निशान देखे? And he expressed his doubt that it might be the scars, the scars, it was the spot of bullet shot by police on him. कहता है कि ये कुछ गोलियों के निशान हैं जो जरूर पुलिस ने चलाए होंगे और उसके चेहरे पर लग गए होंगे. Mummy told us quite clearly that they were one scar, Nisat said firmly. Nisat said with anger and exclaimed that his mother told him that scar were burn scars. कहता है कि मम्मी ने बताया है कि वो जलने के निशान हैं. Perhaps the police had to set his house on fire to force him out, I suggested. Seven looked unsure. The narrator again said that might be the police had to set his house on fire so that he could get out of the house. कहता है कि जरूर पुलिस ने मजबूरी में उसके घर में आग लगाई होगी ताकि वो कमरे से बाहर आ सके. Seven looked unsure, but Seven means Nisad was quite doubtful to hear this. On the Monday following Mamma's birthday, Seven went alone with her to clinic at Girgaon as I was spending the evening with a school friend. When they returned, Nisad told me he had been to see Mr. Nath and I felt most annoyed that I hadn't been there. On the day of on Monday, the birthday of Nisad's mother, and he went with her mother to her clinic, and her clinic was situated at Girgaon. And he spent whole his evening there. उसने पूरा अपनी शाम वहाँ पर बिताई हुई थी स्कूल मेट्स, अपने स्कूल के दोस्तों के साथ. When they returned, Nisad told me he had been to see Mr. Nath, and on his return he informed his brother that he got a chance to see Mr. Nath. And on hearing this, narrator became angry because he couldn't see Mr. Nath. वो गुस्सा हो जाता है कि मुझे चांस कैसे नहीं मिला. निसाद को चांस मिल गया मिस्टर नाथ को देखने का. Seven had been quite upset about Mr. Nath's gaunt appearance and was sure that he was starving. Actually, Mr. Nath was very weak, physically weak and thin person, and to see his physical appearance, Nisad thought that he didn't have sufficient food. He didn't have enough food to eat. उसको लगता था कि उनके पास पर्याप्त खाने पीने की चीजें नहीं है. That's why he was very thin. He told me that he had knocked loudly on Mr. Nath's door that evening and said, "Open the door quickly, Mr. Nath." And Nisad said to his brother that one day he knocked at Mr. Nath's door and asked him to open the door. The man had opened it and asked him lost another marble. Actually, before some time, Nisad went to Mr. Nath to get his missing marbles. ना कुछ दिन पहले निसाद उनके घर में गया था अपने मिसिंग मार्बल्स को लेने के लिए. एंड इन दिस टाइम मिस्टर नाथ थॉट कि निसाद हैड लॉस्ट हिज मार्बल अगेन. उन्होंने पूछा कि क्या तुमने फिर से अपने मार्बल के पीस खो दिए हैं. He had obviously recognized my brother, and Mr. Nath had the memories of Nisad and his brother. No, said Nisad. He had taken the man's hat in his own and thrust a bar of chocolate into it. Nisad denied. उसने मना किया कि नहीं, this time I had not lost my marbles. And he took the hand of Mr. Nath into his hand and kept a chocolate bar into his hand. उसने क्या किया कि एक चॉकलेट का पीस उनके हाथ में रख दिया. Did you get a chance to peek into the trunk, Seven? Narrator asked if he could look into the trunk. कहता क्या तुम ट्रंक के अंदर देख पाए थे? Nisad looked disappointed. He didn't even ask me in. Nisad told him that Mr. Nath did not ask him to enter in the room. That's why he couldn't see the trunk, he said. Then he smiled, but I did find out something. But Nisad again told that he found something else. Maya, I went down to the restaurant where Ramesh works and talked to him. He told his sister Maya that he went to the Ramesh. Ramesh was the boy who brought the lunch for Mr. Nath. Good for you, Mr. Detective, I said, patting him on the back. I hope you questioned him properly. On hearing this, narrator appreciated Nisad and touched his back gently and asked if he could know some secrets about Mr. Nath. Seven looked pleased. Ramesh told me that he takes 2 meals for Mr. Nath every morning and evening and 2 cups of tea, 1 in the morning and 1 in the afternoon. बताता है कि रमेश told him that he used to take 2 meals, 1 in the morning and 1 in the evening and 2 cups of tea. ठीक, 1 in the morning and 1 in the afternoon. 2 बार खाना ले जाता है, एक बार सुबह एक बार शाम, 2 बार चाय ले जाता है, एक बार सुबह और एक बार दोपहर में. Ramesh says he is not very particular about what he eats. It is always the same food. वो कहता है he was not fond of variety of foods. His food was always the same. कहता है बहुत शौकीन नहीं था खाने पीने का, उसका रोज का खाना एक ही जैसा होता था. 2 chapatis and some dal and a vegetable. In his meal there were only 2 chapatis, some pulse and a variety of vegetable. Mr. Nath pays cash and tips well, and Ramesh informed Nisad that Mr. Nath paid the bill and also gave him some tips. Ramesh told me something very strange. Seven added, almost every Sunday he carries 2 lunches to Mr. Nath's room and the same man is with him each time. Ramesh also told him that on every Sunday he used to take 2 lunch and every Sunday same person came to meet Mr. Nath. He is tall, fair, stout and wears spectacles. वो कहता है कि the man is tall and has fair complexion. Ramesh says his visitor talks a lot, unlike Mr. Nath who hardly speaks. वो कहता है कि the visitor who came to meet Mr. Nath spoke loudly but Mr. Nath listened only. कहता है कि Mr. Nath सिर्फ सुनते थे और जो पर्सन था सिर्फ वही बोलता रहता था. Well done, Nisad, I told him. Now that we have made some progress with our inquiries, we will have to sort out all the facts like expert detective so that we can track the truth. The narrator appreciated his brother Nisad for his efforts and he said that by efforting so much, very soon they would be able to sort out the truth, to find out the truth about the criminal Mr. Nath. Because the narrator considered Mr. Nath as a criminal, that's why he called every time Mr. Nath a crook or criminal. How you do go on, Maya. 7 side. How can you possibly imagine he is a crook? He looks so ordinary. When Nisad heard his brother saying Mr. Nath a crook or criminal, he became angry, he annoyed, and he asked his sister Maya, without proof, how we could call anyone a criminal or crook. Because the appearance of Mr. Nath is very ordinary. Criminals can look quite ordinary, Smarty, I retorted. Did you see the picture of Hyderabadi housebreaker in the papers yesterday? He looked like any man on the street. Nisad looked doubtful. The narrator said that the criminals wanted to make them very simple. That's why no one could get their real appearance. No one could get an idea of their reality. नरेटर कहता है कि ये स्पेशलिटी होती है क्रिमिनल्स की कि वो अपने को एकदम ऑर्डिनरी दिखाते हैं ताकि कोई उनकी वास्तविकता का अंदाजा ना लगा सके. The monsoons broke the next day. Dark clouds accompanied by blinding flashes of lightning and roaring rolls of thunder burst with all their fury, flooding the streets with a heavy downpour. Actually, when the story took place, the season was monsoon. Monsoon का season था and it was raining very heavily and there was lightning, thunder lightning. The weather was very bad. मौसम बहुत खराब था and it was raining too heavily that streets and roads were filled with water. School was to have reopened after the summer holidays, but no traffic could move through the flooded roads and there was an unexpected holiday. After summer vacation, it was the time to reopen the school, but due to heavy monsoon, there was nothing to move on the road. कुछ भी ऐसा नहीं था कि जो रोड पे चल सकता, मीन्स there was unavailability of conveyance. I thought I would spend the time usefully. I sat at my desk in our bedroom with a sheet of paper before me. And narrator thought that he could use this holiday in his favor. And he sat on his desk with a piece of paper. I wrote in large block letters. उसने block letters में लिखा, क्या लिखा? Catching a crook. एक्सपर्ट डिटेक्टिव्स निषाद एंड माया पंडित बाय अपॉइंटमेंट टू द होल वर्ल्ड. उसने ये हेडिंग डाली अपने पेपर सीट पे. देन आई बिगेन राइटिंग. About half an hour later, I turned towards Seven, who was lying on his tummy, chin cupped in his palms, reading comics. Want to hear what I have written? And the narrator started writing. After 30 minutes, he turned to his brother, who was on his bed. पेट के बल लेटा हुआ था उसका भाई, and he wanted to ask the narrator what he was doing. वो पूछना चाहता था कि भाई तुम क्या कर रहे हो. I asked. He looked up questioningly. I have listed all the facts we know about Mr. Nath which might help us to trap him. I said, want to hear? The narrator told Nisad that he had written all the facts. He had written all the details which helped him to find out the truth about Mr. Nath. Seven nodded. उसने अपने भाई से पूछा, do you want to hear the details? But Nisad denied. Fact number 1. Nodded means he shook his head. Fact number 1, I read. His name is Mr. Nath. We must discover his first name. Actually, no one knew the real name. No one knew the full name of Mr. Nath. And their first priority was to discover the full name of Mr. Nath. Do you think that's his real name? Maya, Nisad asked. निषाद पूछता है अपनी बहन से कि डू यू नो हिज रियल नेम, क्या तुम उसका रियल नेम जानती हो? Probably not, I said. Most crooks have an alias. I added a big question mark after Nath. वो कहता है कि no one knows the real name of Mr. Nath and it is the most important quality of criminals that they use some pseudonym. वो कुछ नकली नाम का यूज करते हैं. Fact number 2, I read on. The tenants at Shankar house say he is mad, strange and unfriendly. वो कहता है कि the second thing that forces me to think him like a criminal is that the other tenants mean the person who pays money to the owner for living his house. जो और किराएदार थे, the other person who lived there on rent, they told narrator that he is just like a mad and he has no friend. वो कुछ पागल जैसा दिखता है, उसके पास कोई दोस्त नहीं है. Number 3, he doesn't talk to anyone and is mannerless. The third fact is that he never found, no one found him talking to anyone and he had no manners, no etiquettes. कहता किसी ने कभी से किसी से बातचीत करते नहीं देखा, उसको कोई मैनर भी नहीं है. But he did talk to us, Maya, and Mama says He is very polite. Nisad interrupt. Actually, Nisad thought him as a polite person. That's why he told his sister Maya that mother told them that he was a very polite person and he talked to Maya and Nisad. वो कहता है कि मम्मी ने तो हमें बताया कि वो पोलाइट पर्सन है और हमसे तो उन्होंने बात करी है कई बार. He only talked to us because he had to, I said. And since he was under Mama's medical treatment, he had to be polite. And narrator contradicted Nisad by saying that because his mother was treating him, that's why he was polite to them and used to talk them. वो कहता है क्योंकि हमारी मम्मा उनका ट्रीटमेंट कर रही है, that's why he talked to us, इसलिए वो हमसे बात करता है. Fact number 4, he doesn't receive any letters. C7 nodded. The next fact is told by narrator was that no one sent any letter to Mr. Nath. कोई कभी Mr. Nath को कोई लेटर नहीं भेजता. Number 5, he has been living in the room 10 of Shankar's house for more than a year. कहता है he had been there in room number 10 of Shankar more than year, more than 12 months. कहता है 12 महीने से ज़्यादा हो गए वो उसी में रह रहा है. I continued. Number 6, he doesn't work and sits in his room all day. Next fact told by narrator was that he didn't go anywhere to earn money. Number 7, the kids in Shankar house and even some of the grown-ups are scared of him. वो कहता है people are afraid of him, लोग उससे डरते हैं. Number 8, he has no visitors except for a spectacle fair fat man who visits him on the Sundays for lunch. The person who used to come to meet Mr. Nath on Sunday, except this one, no one come to meet Mr. Nath. उस एक व्यक्ति के अलावा कोई भी मिस्टर नाथ से मिलने नहीं आता था. Number 9, food and tea are taken to his room by Ramesh from the downstairs. वो कहता है कि अगला फैक्ट ये है कि रमेश took tea and food from the restaurant downstairs. वो नीचे की सीढ़ियों से लेके जाता है रमेश, उसके लिए क्या लेके जाता है? चाय और खाना. Doesn't care what he eats, pays his bill immediately and tips well. वो कहता है कि he never cares about what was brought by Ramesh. वो कभी नहीं देखता कि क्या आया है मेरे लिए, and he immediately paid the bill and tips. That ends my list. Have I forgotten anything? 7. And after that narrator asked Nisad if he forgot anything to listed. कहता क्या कोई ऐसी चीज रह गई जो मैं लिस्टेड करने से भूल गया हूँ. Nisad had obviously not been paying too much attention to my list of acts, and narrator knew that Nisad was not paying attention. Nisad was not interested in this list. All he could say was, poor man Maya, he must be so lonely if he doesn't have any friends. Nisad felt pity on Mr. Nath and said that without friends he might feel very lonely. वो जरूर बहुत अकेला महसूस करते होंगे बिना दोस्तों के. How can a crook have friends, idiot? I almost shouted. And on hearing this, narrator shouted on his brother by saying that criminal didn't have any friends. Criminal don't have any friends. At least he has one friend, the one who meets him on Sunday. And Nisad told his brother that no, he might have a friend who come to meet him on Sunday. जरूर उसके पास एक दोस्त है जो संडे को उससे मिलने आता है. A brilliant thought occurred to me just then. Suddenly a thought, an idea came to his mind. That man must be Mr. Nath's accomplice in crime. And the narrator told that might be that person was a helper who helped Mr. Nath in his crime. जरूर वो व्यक्ति कोई अपराधी है जो मिस्टर नाथ की मदद करता है उसके अपराध में. I said, maybe he keeps all the loot and he comes now and then to give part of it to the partner. वो कहता है कि आई थिंक मीन्स नरेटर थॉट दैट द पर्सन हु केम टू मीट मिस्टर नाथ kept all the things with him and gave Mr. Nath's share to him. वो कहता है जरूर लूटा हुआ सारा सामान वो दूसरा व्यक्ति अपने पास रखता है और मिस्टर नाथ को उनका शेयर देता होगा. मिस्टर नाथ, that's it, I am sure I am right, and narrator was informed that what he was thinking was right, कि जो कुछ भी वो सोच रहा है वो एकदम सही है. If you insist on calling him a criminal, I don't think I want to discuss anything with you, Maya, said Nisad angrily. On hearing this, Nisad became angry and he asked his brother to stop all these nonsense things. कहता है सब मूर्खता भरी बातें बंद करो. If you means if narrator insisted, if narrator forced Nisad to think Mr. Nath as a criminal, he would stop discussion with narrator. वो कहता है कि अगर नरेटर ने उसको फोर्स किया ये मानने के लिए कि मिस्टर नाथ एक क्रिमिनल है, वो क्या करेगा, वो चला जाएगा वहां से. He can't be such a bad man if he gives Ramesh such generous tips. वो कहता है कि no generous person, no kind person could give tips to a servant. कोई बुरा आदमी किसी को टिप नहीं दे सकता. Ramesh probably knows something about his past, so Mr. Nath must be bribing him to keep quiet. Narrator again put his point that Ramesh might be knowing some secret of Mr. Nath. That's why Mr. Nath tried to give him bribe so that Ramesh could shut his mouth. अपना मुंह बंद रख सके इसलिए मिस्टर नाथ उसको घूस देते हैं. Nisad glared at me with his arms tightly crossed across his chest. I was beginning to get fed of him. दोनों भाई लड़ने लगते हैं. How can we make any progress with our investigation if you take the attitude 7? I asked. Narrator कहता है if you think like this, how would we know about the true facts about मिस्टर नाथ? कैसे हम जान पाएंगे अगर तुम इस तरीके का एटीट्यूड दिखाओगे? आई कोऑपरेट ओनली इफ यू गिव अप दिस आइडिया अबाउट हिम बीइंग एन एस्केप्ड क्रूक, सेड 7. यू रियली मेक मी एंग्री. कहता है निसाद कि ही वुड हेल्प नरेटर ओनली इन दैट कंडीशन इफ ही गेव अप द आइडिया ऑफ थिंकिंग हिम जस्ट लाइक अ क्रिमिनल. अगर वो उसी क्रिमिनल की तरह देखना बंद कर देगा तभी वो मदद करेगा अपने भाई की. I almost hit him. I make you angry. You stupid oaf. I shouted. You make me mad. वो कहता है, पीटता है. Narrator hit his brother and कहता है कि I made you angry. You made me mad. तुमने मुझे पागल बना दिया है. Point out of all these inquiries. If he is not doing, कहता कि after knowing these facts, how you could consider him as an innocent person? If you think he is a nobody, what's the idea of bothering about him? Please tell me. कहता है कि अगर if his appearance, if his presence doesn't make any difference in your life, why are you bothering to know about him? अगर उसके होने से तुम्हें कोई मतलब नहीं, तुम क्यों उसके लिए इतना परेशान हो? कौन कहता है? नरेटर कहता है निसाद से. निसाद looked thoughtful. I would like to find out why he is so thin and why he is so lonely. I want to know why he doesn't have any friends and lives alone. कहता है कि I would find out the reason of having him no friends, reason of living him alone. कहता है सब का बातों का मैं पता लगाऊंगा. Try to understand 7. I told him if he has lived in the Shankar's house for a year and hasn't made a single friend, there is something wrong. वो कहता है कि Narrator told Nisad that he should think why he was not having any friend after living 1 year in Shankar's house. एक साल शंकर के हाउस में रहने के बाद उसका कोई दोस्त नहीं है. It means he was a criminal. इसका मतलब वो क्रिमिनल है. Maybe no one's tried to make friends him. निसाद protested. निसाद contradicted his brother. कहता है कि possibly no one tried to befriend him. हो सकता है लोगों से उससे दोस्ती करने की कोशिश ना की हो. Why should anyone bother? You have seen what a nasty bear is. वो कहता है, वो बड़ा ही नरेटर कहता है कि मिस्टर नाथ इज वेरी स्ट्रेंज पर्सन. I don't care, said Nisad stubbornly, but Nisad was not ready to listen anything against Mr. Nath. वो मिस्टर नाथ के अगेंस्ट कुछ भी सुनने को तैयार नहीं था. I like him and I am going to try and be his friend. And he said that he liked him and he tried to be friend of him. कहता है मैं कोशिश करूँगा उनका दोस्त बनने की. Friends with a crook? Ha, you are crazy, Seven. I said, the cops will take you to jail with him. Do you want that to happen, you idiot? And on hearing this, narrator mocked Nisad and कहता है कि you should not try to be friend like a criminal. If he tried to do like this, the police would take him to jail with Nisad. अगर तुमने ऐसा करने की कोशिश की तो मिस्टर नाथ के साथ पुलिस तुमको भी जेल में डाल देगी. Nisad merely glared at me and quietly walked out of the room. My theories seemed to have made no impression on him at all, and narrator was quite disappointed to see that his research had no impact on Nisad, and in this way the story came to an end. I think you would enjoy the lesson, and if you have any doubt, please comment on my channel. Thank you and have a nice day.